Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Okay. Una good evening. Now well done. So we get this matter when I hear when one girl whether they come Mercy come out come talk about Swaggerlious native daughter. Una know her now. This our honorable Swaggerlious native daughter. Whether they call good luck Adeboye. Na him o. So this girl, wetin the girl talk the thing come surprise me. It surprised me. I don't know what to say. So for waka pass o, the reason why I stop when I can't stop when my motor wey I dey drive dey come when I can't stop I can't listen to the broadcast. We say the thing come dey sound. I can't dey relate am to the something wey be say Swaggerlious don first talk before. Now I say why this kind thing wan come be the same but small difference come dey. Na make me stand o. Now say make I listen to the wetin the girl dey talk well o. I no hear Swaggerlious own o. The time because the girl say na Swaggerlious na him first come out come tell people say him dey subdue him wey be Swaggerlious. Say this girl dey subdue am. So na only God go fit judge. I no come out come judge una o because I was not there. So I no go fit bear witness say really say that girl subdue you or na you. The reason why me go come believe the girl the girl say him get your naked picture. So before we reach that place, me I first analyze am from the starting first. So our Swaggerlious native doctor wey everybody know. So this word when I want talk so when I want tell you so I want to kind of advise you if really you are such kind person when they like to subdue women, they like to get advantage of some women. I beg, I take God they beg you and all the gods when you dey serve, I take and beg you say make you not do like that again. It's not good. As you call yourself human rights activist, you supposed to stand as that human rights activist. Not be say you can't get one. You can't say one woman, one lady gets one problem, then you can't use the advantage of that problem to enter am. It's not good. You understand? It's not good at all. That kind of thing is not good. As you see say that girl get problem as her condition, the way she take explain, you supposed to stand to help that girl, that lady, not girl, anything when she be. You supposed to stand make you help am. You understand? Now help you now you for just help am and then do everything, do your best and leave the rest for God. Now so anything wey person dey do for this world, don't be person wey you do something for now go come pay you. God fit come reward you later. Now wetin you supposed to do with that? Me I think say na the work wey you dey do for Africa be that. I no know say another thing dey. My sister, how you dey? Good evening. Help me share am. So this matter as e come be, the reason why me I stop e be like say na that one I make a boy stand for here make it not vex o. Me I go talk am. You know say me no dey talk word dey hide. Igbebe gusan ni rotin because o tin na gbebe gusan ro yo talk we are we are ni ohun je bia ohun je ahen we are ni bebe gbo tin ni o kan wari yo. So I must have to say it. That time Swaggerlious native doctor why e come be say I wan ask you question o oga patapata. You say Monica he subdue you, you can't lick him leg, reach him lap. This one again today now you see subdue. Why come be say na so women dey subdue you na Swaggerlious. The reason why me believe that Monica on o, you talk that time say if na lie you talk, say make una go sue you, you go sue you Monica for ayelala, no na go swear. But Monica no come out make e say okay no lie o. Monica later come out come talk say anything wey you talk na true. So na so the matter take die down that time. But this medicine e really hold ground gangaranga. So that kind thing no happen. Now you wan enter am. You say get one day when you carry your gbola dey shook yansh, when you dey for your house, he wan come out for your house, he come push you go back because he no be that kind person. No be all woman spoil like that. You understand? No be all woman. Some women fit dey. I fit take myself to make an example. I fit stay 3 years 4 years. I no dey get feelings because of wetin I don experience concerning men. So man matter don tire me. If dem dey talk the way dem dey talk say I love you, na that day I dey hate dem. When you wan come talk say I love you, na that time wey if I fit dey follow man dey play, we just dey gist, go carry him problem come, me say we just discuss everything together. But the day wey go tell me say madam I love, na that day now I dey hate that man because he wan come add to my problem. I believe say he wan come add to my problem. That is why I just dey. My only problem, the problem when I get, I make I take care of my children. I mean I do. I no get time for man. So as this guy just explain how I want to do when I dey listen, I just be like say the me with am na the same thing. You understand? So this guy now stand gangaranga say if you ever come out again, come mention him name. Say na so he subdue you like the way you talk for Monica all that time. He go bring your naked picture come outside. Say you no know say he fix camera for the this thing. You know say get one Nigeria don dey advance so. Nigeria people oje una don dey get sense well well. You get one camera, me get that camera that time. It be like earpiece. You fit put if you wear clothes, you go fix and put. So that time when I want travel, before my mama died, that time when I want travel, that I come to say I go hold on all those police where they stay for roadblock. So I go wear am, they not go know I will record them. So I just use am. I don't know wetin when people will call the enter my store, I can't thief am. I don't know. I no come see, and the time when I come see and the thing don't spoil, be like say they come see the person can't return am, it can't spoil. So that kind I don't know say that thing don't reach that camera don't still reach Nigeria. If they can record, if they can video, just be like earpiece you fix am. So that girl say that thing I ain't use that they take video you, and you don't know video your nakedness, everything say they with her. Even the girl the wetin make me believe Swaggerlious me no vex o. No be say I bring you come out come wash o. You know say any matter when you enter social media we dey wash am. Everybody go carry am, and anybody go carry am like plate. You go wash and take and chop. Now so me won't wash this one, but I will tell you for where you forget what. May you not do that kind of thing again. Let me come tell you, I just can't correct you. As a spiritual man, you're supposed not to behave like that. So this guy say he record you everything you not know. The time when you come meet am for hotel, everything, all your body say dey with am. If you ever come out again, come talk about am, him go bring her. She even make una go watch am na untouchable mama na bring the video come. Make una go watch am. Her number even dey just go call the girl, make una call am, but me I no call am. I just dey drive my own, dey go now dey lis ten when untouchable mama dey break the news, dey enter my ear. Now I just say okay. If the number dey there, the girl say who wan even call am, make dem call am. Who want the video, he go still send that to the person. If na the person go come bring am come out for social media, make the person bring am come outside. But if Swaggerlious native doctor not talk to am, he no go bring am come out. But if he can't measure anything again for social media, he go zaga the picture, he go gbelekowa for social media. Now so the girl talk o, my people. So now say okay, as I now say I go come talk am. Because you no come be like say na only you woman go dey subdue, this one go come subdue you, the other one go come subdue you. If Monica na no come out that time, that is why everybody believe for Monica. Oh no, somebody like me, person put life for my body. Ijoma waye lala moka seba o. Yen we na ni mawe. I no dey okonoro word for that matter. I go first of all, oh Jesus, imagine the seba. Jesus man say by my own Jesus igba me Bible yo toy wa ke esutana mi wari enya hu moza yela la wari eme ayela la o gboziga ayela la o don dey ayela la wa mudia ba ke no bi ayela la riri ayela la gwe mudia ba I go na me now from here I go call and go reach Benin. So now so he be if na me o gbo go be the only set agwa him egwa mo oge he said I said to him gbo go be the only ba me be gbin be the only man where my wa have me gbin be the only ba me no way. People wey know me they know me say I just dey do my own. If so now go look for man like that girl talk I go look for work if e kwa wina iwine gbe me e kwa if e kwa wina iwina ni mi ini fe ko wina if e ko yari if e ko ya solve a problem maybe no wa be e ko se that's all. Ihe ya agwali pe ani mama ya hia no do have a problem to my problem oni omo no bia no pe no say ai o e ko ke hia we no de gbe do bia be enu we and we marriage be there on agbon ya beg we marriage you are not satisfied, you are not which means you are not comfortable in that marriage. A marriage in where we were there on or you were made comfortable Swaggerlious. Huh? When we I don't know. Imagine it be so ya we me here. Swaggerlious we know is very very bad. There you well Emma. As a dem ma here. Uma get be bona ge. Or two things or no. It has advantage and disadvantage obonoge. Obeso ina te wa we no wa sell huni wa gele sell wa afia o the moment o get need the spirit of that fornication adultery ni wa la one o wa gbe a power no wa reduce a power any to zero emi no boni gi egise wo ekia o ja hia o get ni no ge o si enemi na gise because o get ni orientation so obo be ro ni wa be ge o esoro ogeni ni ageni emi nani abe those evil thing ni awuni ni ameke na be ja get a power o se me so ni ja omobo iyan be ni ja iyan ke do omobo ni te ya ko no bo ni yan oboni aboboni I'm just telling you people the secret abukun eso abe tin so ni yan ri ho ni no gwaleti no ho no ri tin by tin ogbe no ya lobi e ko no ya ohu ona mi ohu ko ogbe so ya gwali bibi eka nya lobby ni ahia wu no hia retin ya so wa mi okwo they would like to use the star of that woman nya a star okwo ni ogwa lo you can spend any amount of money no okwo ni so far not get okwo ni no lobby ekoko ni once lobby ekoko ni no or real star destiny okwo ni no real bagene your beso so wana ni kaka bojogo bo obona wa open your eye and your IQ make it dey for make you just open eye get rata to wewe wa get wa open dey with your sense in case you dey go any native doctor house or pastor ebe pastor be where have a pastor no eri okwo hin wodore so no phone na error so my brother Swaggerlious native doctor iwala jando tama woga egbo ma be ri oni ma no aya to bagmona so wina werun wa eko wa wina ni ogo bonu na wa won wa wese una eko wa gbe ne gbo wa ye gbo wa mebe no salobo aya fi agbe we he you understand but una do ya mu bi agbon ja ka mu bi agbon ria e boni se fo be gu yo fi ye sa bonu ege fo bonuga no fi ye ke gbo o wa fi ye ke gbo hian so I'm just advising you egbe be ri oni get he well e la jan re do tama well because owo ma evema ge ha ma ege obe de gbe sunu obe na de gbe sunu owo obe na de gbe do lajan gbe eru tebe we zigi iya wa pobo na ori egogo na ori kuse na ori ogo wa pelelu ebe social media na wa ro this one now is a warning agbaya warning we na ni you understand agede gbe han wo po be eru wa wo po be gbangban because you po na satisfied we like okwo na una rie na you have to be satisfied with your wife do man satisfied with her now imagine don't understand why yari okwo ne ihe nu wa en wa setim wa ikun wa to bu wa kun wa mu yan hu ne wa gwa le kinu wa si e wa gwa lo be nu wa ya si e we ado ale lo obi ohana ne ba ne do ma no me nwa ba ne a o bu rie $200 ni yen na me we yen na le una ri no ma no rie gin yen na me clever girl obi ohani wa hin wo hano wa ma e wa no okay there wo kan ne ma ba na ga sun e rie meri no odo ku enu ne ba obo han e wo ya to se o wo gwa lo e wo ya ri go ne your wife will never know. Make I speak English because be like say that your woman won't make it hear. Your wife not go know say now you go dey toast that girl, say that you go dey give that girl money, go dey toast and go dey find the girl, even trace the girl go hotel. So your wife not go know that your wife now go come get bad belle for that girl, that Mercy go say Mercy na bad person because they come dey work for with una, he can't collect he won't come collect his husband. He not go follow you quarrel. Now that girl na go get bad belle for. You see because God that girl the way God take create her, he no want that kind of nonsense things. Now make it just stay on her own. Just stay on her own. Just stay. No want at all. You say he don't want you. He come video you. You yourself you don't know say video you. All your gbola na your nyash don't open for an how it be. Whether your gbola straight or abi bend or na J style abi na U style anyone any shape when a U shape or na J shape or na your gbola be o the girl don't know. So if I be person when be say I don't want that kind of thing, I will just call am. Give me the number, I beg. Give me. Just give me. I beg. Send the video for me. I go fit give. So some people ask me don't talk this matter. So many live video presenters they go find that video. Make them find that girl. They fit give that girl money. Make they collect your nakedness. I be you not know. That wo kemi no ma really anything wey person they do. I too like this my Benin language. Anything wey person they do, make una they do. Make you they do with sense. And make you they know your position to maintain that position. A host of Swaggerlious native daughter. Am I hear me, Dana? We never hear this kind of word from you before. All those rubbish we never hear. Now we can't hear all your dirty when we say the girl can't wash now. How you tell they collect money for people hand? How many people they cry say you collect money for their hand? That kind of thing not good now. Man, it's not good. You have to be whether you dey serve juju o you dey go church o anything wey you dey do o you be Muslim o afa or anything wey you dey do you have to have the fear of God and respect the dignity of human being like you because e dey for Bible say love your neighbor as yourself. If that woman or that lady na your pikin somebody come dey do one like that with that her condition, how will you feel? Or if na your junior sister you can't hear as you be human rights activist when you can't hear say your junior sister one man come dey do like how you go do if suppose I get your number for call you because that thing when you do when you go do with that girl I just if I make I talk this thing for this social media so the girl go hear if you go you gonna be like say I dey advise you I see they put fire for inside. I suppose to call you tell you because if that girl take action as e even be like this so my Swaggerlious native daughter I no want to make you regret. You understand? Make una dey do ekiwa wa agbe yegbe na make una wa agbe kiwa yegbe wa agbe yegbe wetin if your wife no fit satisfy you carry your money for hand go hotel. I think Ashawo dey for all hotel you go there. If na one round whether na one round abi the shortcut I know as they talk am na shortcut to one round abi anyhow you want your money reach you ask them you come up for there shikena which one you come dey get when be say dey find im own life how im life dey wan put how im life go take better you wan come go distract in attention towards her plan. Make it come marry you join the one when you marry for house make it come born for you na that kind fine children na the one you born all the children wey you get before they ugly na tutu poyoyo na they born for you before ne ko wa ne me imagine am wogere which kind thing be all this one? I not just dey like all this kind thing o I no like am I no just like am just dey advise you o that girl make God just put godly make no say as e be say na Nigeria na if na here a video ni that only that video where you get or a video ni may I speak Benin make the girl no go hear wetin I dey talk a video ni opake kanu many when we are when I go mind that woman on a big kind. On ya woman on a big kind. Oh God. A video ni alone or gwen honor a video ni ladian. Oh here, oh ya yega. Ego no answer the life you will video ni no gwen. Any allegation she says against you. Can you come in the girl ni have win no. Wano. What's in when I be huh? Why okay. Who again when I was salad again I saw you well or can we not bow. Give me again, I can will do type of Monica again. Area again, I saw you well, or can rape you well. Me, my video, you better area who again, Tyler, who do Tyler video. It's not good. Who were getting a jacky or nay, touch your back, but we are son. Keep calm. If I talk again, here we matter like secretly we have a call a girl, send a text message. That will remind no jam with being radio need that time. That will just forget. You feel bribe the girl go still forget. Let bygone be bygone. Then wait the moon like have a media what do attack. It's not good now, my brother. It's not good. That kind of not good. I just can't advise me not do one again. We don't want here another the third one again. First one, you bring a come on. Second one, you still bring a come. That one can't say, can't give you bass, boss. So not be so it happen. See how it happen. You understand? Now that can't get me like you understand? That will go for Swaggerlious native daughter. Iwa eko wala dia do tama wewe. Egbunyi me very oni Emma. Emma gagi we dai abi ho. Do yan woda fun en rigwe gbe ba ni yan woda fun en ga be de gbese to ba ho o so 5 years yan wa ja ro wa ya gwi later yan de gbe do settle obi ere ga ya fe we Johanne de no hin do ta egbe ba ni yan wo ma obi e bo no hin maybe that they forbid now for their side now. I don't know the tribe when the girl be no I want they do like that. Make I want they use less woman like that. You understand? Make I want they use less woman like that too. Egbe very oni again now on ya lie now on ya lie Swaggerlious native daughter mi kere ona wa on ya la egbe mi kere ato emi we wa uni that's where you go do so again now on ya la mi kere not be smart thing o sa lo gba be je gbo ebe sunu da mi ijeme o that can't is ijeme o igo ni anwin na be 5 years but when am o ijeme o se gbe very oni re be me na gele wa yan gbe ope le ge ni ke plan emewe o se no na game na no na luwe ope no ke plan emewe je ko because when we ya mo egbola we ya suo oni sani ona afe kwa ma emewe o se na ko do rie that camera na ko rie luru when I hoge earpiece no I get that kind of thing before. They have a police in Nigeria not take dog. My come here so wa you not very restoring. Later na with the berry we ain't dey with the berry or magin ma. I mean maybe na ya dollar here and na fearful. See you not know. You not just know. You can't that kind of thing where you go do so not good at all. My brother, being and my sister, you know they see my face. My face, you go if you want to see my face, You never see my face before. My face now. You want see my face, bro? This kind of matter not be the way that they see person face. You understand? On the day where you go see my face, you go see my face. Now, I don't want to see my face. I don't want anybody to see my face now. I just you know see this thing when our brother do so the thing they vex me. Not be somebody like you know we advise someone. You know see the reason why they talk say all of us will be we may have tell me here or we just go one on in real life video now we corrector must be the worst. You understand? And so my pikin they tell me go say hey DJ una wey dey for dis life, you don be corrector must be the worst. So you go my corrector woman, you go say, hey, you get one woman that time wey dey go, wey dey him with mama dey go church. Say that woman him own spoil for house, he go come, go follow mama come house, go come dey do corrector. He say and him children dem spoil. He say he no go think say that woman na deeper life dey go, but he can correct other people children for outside. For him own na him worst. That time when the time when I do mama but I come dey tell me say na this one na be corrector must be the worst. So na him dey give am for our house. So see the woman na be this. He say ije na so una be for live video. All these people dem dey correct person. You think say all their house just good like that. He go shut up. Who tell you say dem na so we be? Our own dey our body o. We go come outside, we go come treat am. We be motivational speaker. Our own we go come dey treat another person case when our own case just dey for there. No where oku second dey. We no go do am. See this Swaggerlious native doctor now. If na another person na do this one, wetin you go talk? Swaggerlious go talk he go come analyze am. We go say you not supposed to do like this na. This one not supposed to be like this. It's supposed not to do like we're not a whole native doctor. See native, this word don't spoil low. My people, this word don't spoil. See, a native doctor not be native doctor again. A pastor, no a reverend, not the reverend. Everywhere don't spoil. The word don't spoil. No one when you come to say now this one I be the best. Error. Na a pastor yan your book yan mo book yan who be car here. Yesterday na this man Ojedepo story na take sleep. Yan get a story ogori na fi obe vanya hu na san wo duku na wo salobua. Una when they go church make una take time or make una know the type of church wey una dey go. I hear that story yesterday. Ina san wo duku na wo na gbobe vanya hu salobua. Already be Joshua only wa do ogori na wa wo. Hey God. That winner chapel. Yan ga itare anything winner chapel, winner not chapel, ma chapel. Make it the chapel they go. Osalobo apake kan no guy. This woman I bring this something come out and I bring out they call her Maureen. Wetin be Maureen something like that. He interview Bisola one day. So if na put Maureen, na go see am where they take talk. Now one woman wey know Ojedepo, how Ojedepo take start church. Na he come out for their come talk. How the Ojedepo they bury pregnant woman and one virgin for the altar before as they want start the foundation, and so they take bury and put for there before they do everything. Imagine egbe very your name. How Ojedepo take start the church, everything. They dey for that woman page there. The video when the woman do, they talk the story for there. I tire. So which kind of church? Who can be the man of God? And all those people then gather together say TB Joshua not be him na evil, na demon. Which means that time TB Joshua they talk say all of them they be the same thing. Now true that man talk say they be the same thing. Una be the same thing. The look on your own self, they still talk that one. Egbe na just taja. Okay, you go come talk say now the pastor not good or pastor not good. Make we see say native doctor now self see the pursue person. See the pursue person. Come marry me. This one I go make you fine. Send her $200. That one I be when na €200 I be $200. Say give person come give him come chop the money run. He no give am. Wetin dey fine no say as he come be say wetin dey fine not see and I won't come spoil the name for media. He not good those Swaggerlious native daughter. Our honorable or anything so Swaggerlious native daughter, e not good. You hear? That thing when you do, e not good. As you don't go commit all those, you're not supposed to even talk the matter, come outside at all. You for just keep calm, find the way you take beg that girl, make the girl forget. And as this the matter don't see reach like this, so if you still call the girl, make me beg am. But if na me you want to beg me, you go ni aya ma with that moment, boy na me. I don't want to talk this one for English. You go ni aya ma, boy na me, oga ime no. He je me be ni me je gbe wa kin me o. Okwo ga wu me ya de ya bo ma me pe na wu me. I ga bo o. Lie, I ga bo. I go shake that man. Oh, Jack Moria we ona mi wona tie ime ona bego ma be ni me just dey you ha. all de you ha we ni aja we okwoga ume ya ke gwoko be ni majene si ai okbia mejo okbia ume mi no da me bonyo ikaka bi iblo ga su gboloko because emi ni emi ebo okbia too much gbe Swaggerlious o no do am again o we no wan hear another one again. Monica number 1, Mercy number 2. We no wan hear another one. May e no come be Veronica or Juliet again. We no wan hear Monica, Mercy. We no want Juliet. We no want another one. If another one just dey mawuku say what pejo because e work pa na me we guess yan ka we when yan ka we when yan subdue I just start o yan subdue de tu ye mi yara o ni na subdue we na ni jaja me ya pe kwa you understand that pe kwa ni aga ga subdue we because wa ge ni oje Monica ya subdue wo na ya la lo kwa we ona na na ya ama ke nu la lo se gbo na wo yan ma ko ni yo bo kan yen ona e kwa video we be nu we ya naked ya fe o we ya fe gun yen o whether egbola we dey to straight o owo gun yen dey to me J style o J shape o me o owo gun yen dey you know owo gun yen dey to mu hu da du won mu hu da to owo ya gun yen o Swaggerlious native doctor. You hear me? Say everything dey with am o. I beg make you not try am again with another person. If I thought say your woman no fit satisfy you, make you go hotel. No be Lagos. Here one corner. E dey for Lagos. Oluku Junction full Lagos there. All those Oluku Junction they dey for Lagos there. You go. If na one short round o, you say okay o. Hey, jealousy, one short round. How much for one short round? He go tell you. He go tell you say na one short na be this. If na daybreak o, say okay, you want to follow am, you take excuse for your wife and say you dey go so place, you wan go see one. You know how una men dey play wayo na. So you go sleep with am. Daybreak, you pay the money. Yasta. If you no fit sleep for outside, say you no wan fit sleep for outside, do one short round, give am money for one short round. You go your way, but as a native doctor, all that kind thing dey spoil medicine for body. You understand? Na wetin me I know to tell you that, because not be all women, there is one thing, not be all women wey dey see am. Me I tell you, any man wey dey flirt see am, native doctor no suppose to dey flirt, because not be all women, all of us, all women wey you see, so not be all women get good energy. Is it energy? Wetin I will call am o? Then energy style, no as I want to talk am. Get good spirit. Not be all women get good spirit. E get some women wey be say they no get better spirit. Spirit, evil spirit dey follow them. If you go sleep with that kind of woman, go make love with that kind of woman, that evil spirit go follow you, go spoil the medicine wey dey your body. But if you sleep with the woman, if you still go make love with the woman wey get better spirit, get good spirit, that is a good spirit go follow you, things go good for you. That is why you dey see say some men when they go jump some women when we say get bad spirit, if everything good for them, since where they don dey go out with that woman wey get spirit, so that spirit go come destroy, go come draw all the better when that man gets, go draw am down, go come, every disappointment that he go come dey get. So na so it be. Na so men still be o. So as man be, na so woman be. Na woman na ain't get different spirit pass. Na women na get different spirit pass. So get some women wey get good spirit, get some women wey get evil spirit wey dey follow am. If they enter house, they go scatter that house. Money dey for that house, that house money no go dey again. You get some women wey go enter house, everything go good, the man go dey get money, the family go dey okay. You understand? Na so e be. So e no good make man dey flirt. E no good. Na my advice to all men be that. E no good make man dey flirt. As you be native doctor, so that kind thing no just good for you at all. As you get wife, so when you don go marry, so register one when you marry, so you with am go just dey. Why your woman no go fit satisfy you? Any style wey you want, make you teach am and make e dey satisfy you na Swaggerlious. Instead you go dey molest yourself for outside. Any style when you dey find my wife oh na wetin dem talk for legelege channel that day. That woman say he dey give w style, a wheelbarrow style. He say as him give him husband wheelbarrow style reach, you no see like am. If na wheelbarrow style na you dey find, tell your wife make give you wheelbarrow style, no shame. Say my wife na wheelbarrow style na I sabi do o, na him dey sweet me well well, na him dey enter my head, na him dey carry me round. Your wife, you go, if you say you no sabi am, teach her how you go take give you the wheelbarrow style. Instead when you go outside, anything you do with your wife for inside house, na your wife be that. You understand? Anything when you do with your wife, na your wife. Anything you do with your husband, na your husband. Not be outside. If the way you go take do with your wife or do with your husband, if any man go do for outside, you no see this girl now, he no like you. He no like you. He tease you to the last point. He no like you. That is why he video you. This your wife now, he no video you the day when you toast am, when you tell am say you like am because that one like you. That love when that woman get for you, make you sef still get, you see am before you marry am. So make you still love that woman like that. Make you still love am, make you stay with am. Don't let your thing go put you for trouble for outside though. Make you love am. If na wheelbarrow style na rectangle style and go 90 any style when you say make the woman, when you know say na you dey satisfy, na you dey like, tell your wife make your wife dey give you that style. Abeg, make you no dey go outside again, because na the shame and disgrace na you go dey receive for outside though. Shame and disgrace, this one na just small one. No dey go outside again. And wetin me I know wey I just tell you na be that. No dey go outside again. Tell your wife the way when you want and go give. You don go marry na you pay the dowry, na your wife, you belong to you, you belong to her. Which one you come dey go outside now, go dey fool yourself for outside. Egbe ìbéèrè ọ ni ẹ má la awowo Swaggerlious la awowo Jésù ló bọ́jà ìyàwó gbèyègbè o ẹgì òwò bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ́ gbé dòwìn yàn rape wẹ́ ọ ọ̀nà tó dẹ́ gbó ọ̀nà bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ́ gbé dòwọ́ngọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kí dẹ́ gbé with subdue wẹ́ satisfy with your wife. That's my message for you be that. So I'll just end with something for you. Now good night too.